Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this kinky textured body wave hair with these kinky edges, these realistic kinky edges. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this install, continue watching. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got a wig cap, some adjustable band clips, a tail comb, a bag with some goodies. I got a melt band, some clips, an edge brush, a clip that said I like, and of course the wig itself. So I'm going to just show you guys how the wig is looking. These are the curls. They look like they honestly look like wand curls, guys. And the hair was kinky, so it looked super natural. So I'm just showing you guys the edges. This is a ventilated curly wig, so the edges, the front hairline, it was super bomb. I'm showing you guys how it looked on my skin, and as well as how the inside of the wig looks. There was two combs at the side, one at the top in the middle, and also one at the back. Of course, it came with the adjustable bands, so you can adjust the wig to your liking. And yeah, this is how the wig looks. So take a look, because I did go ahead and bleach the knots and pluck it a bit. So in the video you will see that it is a bit straight, but I went ahead and did my thing. So we're gonna jump straight into this tutorial. So like always, I have my hair braided straight back. So I have 6 straight back braids. You want to make sure that your braids are nice and flat when putting on your wigs. So I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just spraying my hairline and putting back any small hairs that are in my way back. I'm going to use my blow dryer and dry it. Next, I'll be putting on my wig cap. So I will not be doing the bald cap method. I'm just putting on the wig cap and making sure it's not sitting on my hairline. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer and my brush, and I'm going to conceal the inside of the frontal wig just so that it can match my skin complexion. Next, you want to cut off the extra lace at the back because you do not need it. So go ahead, cut off that lace, and also you can adjust the wig if you want it to fit tighter or looser. You can use those bands. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on my head. So what I like to always do first is cut out any extra lace around my ears. So that's what you'll see me doing. So no lace should be on top of your ear, because you want to make sure before you put any glue or you spray it down that there is no extra lace over your ear. That way the wig, you know, is sitting on your head properly. Then I'm going in with my Ebin active spray. This is an adhesive spray and I'm just spraying around my hairline. I did lift the wig, as you can see it's pushed back, and I'm just spraying it onto my skin itself, and I'm just tapping it through. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and pull back up the wig and place it down. So once you know it's placed down and it's going to dry, you're gonna put on your melt band so that it stays in place. And the same place where you sprayed, you want to make sure that the hair is on top of where you sprayed, because that's what is going to hold the wig down. By the time you cut off the extra lace, it should be the hair that you sprayed that is laying down on your skin. So I just went ahead and blow dried it, and now I'm gonna do some curls on this wig. So these curls to me honestly looked like wand curls, flat iron curls. So I just decided to go back in and just freshen it up a bit, because the curls were still there, but I wanted it to look freshened up, just give it a little oomph. And when I washed the top portion of the hair, the curls weren't really there, so I just decided in some sections I was gonna go ahead and do some curls. So I didn't re-curl the entire thing, I just curled the pieces that I thought could use some freshening up. So as you can see, there's certain places I skipped and there's certain places I went ahead and did some flat iron curls. And honestly, this made the entire hair like come back to life.
Yeah, you know that I hate being alone, yeah. I take care one man, you know my 생각하는데 난 원래 질투하는데 you looking so fly again. 난 친구 사이 남아서 we better be better friends, oh no. We better be better friends. Oh, 이러면 되는데. Oh, 겁이 많아도 I'm taking all my chances, babe. I've been wondering 시간 되는지 5시간 차이 나도 you're my queen. I've been going on through my phone, yeah.
Alright, so once I curled everything, I removed my melt band and I just went in with my razor to razor off the extra lace. So as you can see, where I sprayed, the wig is down and I'm just cutting off the extra lace that obviously I didn't spray there. So that is what I'm doing right now.
싶으면 좀 I wanna know, yeah. I'm not alone, yeah. 후회되지 않게 tell me 지금 좋아하는지. I could pull up anytime 난 기다리고 있지. You remind me of a time 그때 좋았었지. 우리 연애 like a Rolex piece 여자애. I know this Fendi Prada. You know this filthy riding on this note, yeah. 지금 face 맞게 바라 내 말 들어봐, yeah. 예전처럼 밤새 말도 못해 잠들어, yeah. You remember all those late nights. 기억하잖아 마지막일지도 몰라, baby. It's gonna be alright. I've been going on through my phone, yeah. 무장 많은지 알고 싶어서, yeah. You've been calling, hitting on my line, babe. 이제 니들어 하기 싫어져. You always hit me on my line, baby. I was thinking about you all day lately. You got me feeling so damn wavy.
Once I finished cutting off the extra lace, I went in with my 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 holding spray and I just sprayed my hairline. I feel like this helps to give it a better blend when it comes to your lace. So I sprayed my hairline, and once I finished doing that, I went and put back on my melt band, and I use my blow dryer to dry it.
Like a queen, I set the throne for you, and I'ma do whatever it takes. You always hit me on my line, baby. I was thinking about you all day lately.
So once the hair was dried, I just removed the melt band, and the edges are gonna be a bit stiff, so you just want to go ahead and just comb them out lightly. But this is basically how it's looking, guys. I loved how the curls and the hair were natural itself, so it allowed the edges to kind of like blend in, if you understand what I'm saying. So it wasn't like straight hair and then kinky edges. Like the hair itself was kinky and then the edges was kinky. You can also trim them if you'd like, but I thought that mine looked fine. So I went in with my hot comb and I just pressed the hair down a bit, just so that it could be a little bit flatter. The hot comb did not take out that kinky texture though. If you've seen my other kinky hair videos, when you do straighten kinky hair, you can still see the texture is still kinky. So I just sprayed some gloss on it, used my olive oil sheen and sprayed that on my hair, and that was basically it for this video. I was actually in love with the way it turned out. The curls that they gave to me, like this curly hair, was amazing, because even when I did some flat iron curls on them, like it all blended out so nice. Like it was so nice. It looked like healthy natural hair. That's the vibe that this wig gave me. So if you are interested in this wig, all the details, the inches, everything like that will be down in my description box below. So I just want to shout out ILikeHair company for sending over this wig once again. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because I have many videos like this. I have a lot of hair tutorials still coming out, so make sure you subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you know each time I upload a video. And also like this video if you liked how this wig looked, because I loved it. So yeah, also I would like for you guys to follow me on my Instagram page at nae.simone, and you can also follow my hair page at Paris Hair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.